back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Love the dishes, and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it, and you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon, and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already, and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Nice and lovely, guys. It's Christmas. We might have put a piece of salmon on the Christmas table this Christmas, guys. I'm basically gonna show you how you can do your Christmas salmon. You know, I mean, fish is a must. It's not a lot of people want to eat turkey and eat beef, lamb, and all these things. Anyway, I have a fat chunk, a piece of salmon right here, guys. Look at this. Nice, pretty beautiful piece of salmon, as you can see. Really nice, and hopefully, guys, you will love it. It's just totally nice. But look at the salmon, beautiful and nice, really pretty, colorful. Salmon is just really nice, as I can see, spread out inside of right here. So basically, we're gonna marinate it because we want to get it soaked, and we're gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna show you how you can do your Christmas salmon. First of all, I have some garlic. We're gonna put some garlic down in it like this. We're gonna get some flavor straight inside of it, guys. This is Christmas, and I'm telling you, when it's Christmas like this, you know, you want to do something totally different for the family, to make everyone happy and rejoice this Christmas. As I can see what I'm doing right here, got a piece of fresh thyme. I'm gonna put a piece of fresh thyme down inside of it, make it cook also. Put a few pieces of fresh thyme underneath it. Flavor. Not everyone love salmon, but I don't know who don't love salmon. I love my salmon. I love my salmon, guys. I love salmon. You know what I mean? A few pieces on top of it like that. I'm basically gonna cut some fat chunk white onion, which also we're gonna put just around it to get the flavor around it, guys. Just like this, few pieces on top of it. Really nice. Just gonna get the flavor inside of it. Around it. Just like this. Also, we got some spring onion. Spring onion around it. Just like this. And basically, I got some more of the white onion. Really nice. Pieces on top of it, just like this. Really nice. So as you can see, exactly what we are about with this beautiful salmon. Look at it. Put some peppers on top of it, just like this. Second thing, I have some all-purpose seasoning, which I'm gonna simply put a little bit on top of it like this. Second thing, I have some sweet chili sauce. I'm gonna put on top of it like this. Really beautiful and nice, simple recipe, guys. Show you guys can do your Christmas. Then, nice, got some lemon here. Squeeze a bit of lemon juice on top of it like this. Nice one. Pinch of soy sauce. Lovely and nice. When you're doing a salmon like this, guys, the best thing you need to do is preheat your oven first. Gas mark 6 or 7. If you're using a different kind of oven, 175 is good for 25 minutes. So guys, now we're gonna put in the oven for 25 minutes. As you can see, you can marinate it from the day before, or you can get it seasoned, done and ready and dusted. You can even simple rub a little bit of it on top of it like this, guys, just to make the flavor get inside of it also. Down inside of it, you don't want to mash up the fish too much because salmon, but you know you want to get flavor inside of it. So guys, hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. As you can see, nice lovely salmon like this, can't go wrong. Christmas salmon oven bake. Enjoy the recipe from Chef Ricardo. So as I said, 20 minutes inside of the oven or 25 minutes, and gas mark 7 or 8 is good. 175 is good for it, guys, for 15 to 20 minutes. Enjoy the recipe. And lovely, guys. I just take it from the oven, as you can see, looking so lovely and nice and fantastic. So that's one of the best way you can ever do your salmon for this Christmas, guys. As you can see, we have that lovely look, that lovely color. So hopefully, guys, we love the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We've got a lot more recipe like this, and I'm gonna share it out and make you guys see exactly what we're all about. Enjoy the recipe, and thank you so much. Bye bye. Lovely. I just cut off a fat chunk of the fish, guys. Look at that, really juicy and nice. Hopefully, guys, you like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments. As you can see, this is some broccoli which I cooked earlier, and you can serve this with some newly potato, some nice lovely butter newly potato, guys. So hopefully, guys, you like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. As you can see, your nice lovely salmon fish right here with some baby corn also. It's looking so lovely and fantastic, guys. So hopefully you guys love the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. As I said, this Christmas you can cook your fish in the oven like this, your lovely salmon, the way you want to cook it. So guys, as you can see, this is what Chef Ricardo been doing over the last couple of months, and that's the way we normally do our food, special like this, guys. Really nice and lovely. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna simple, as you can see, I just share it out. So hopefully, guys, will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We've got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you and for your family. See you next time, and this is from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.